Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on YouHodler. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in youhodler.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official YouHodler website where you can simply sign in to your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Simply go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password and click on the sign in button, and now you will be signed in to your account on YouHodler. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. You can now simply go ahead and trade and buy your desired crypto using YouHodler. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.